Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play Minecraft Java with a controller. Let's get started. First, make sure Minecraft is closed. Open your web browser and search for Midnight Controls Minecraft. Then click the Modrinth page. Then select versions and download the one that matches your Minecraft version. Make sure it's for Fabric. Next, you'll need the Fabric API. On Modrinth, search for Fabric API and download the version that matches your game. After that, download the Fabric installer by searching for Fabric Minecraft and opening the official website. Click download, run the installer, and choose your Minecraft version and press install. Once Fabric is installed, open the Minecraft launcher and go to installations. Then find Fabric Loader and click the folder icon. Open the mods folder and drag in both the Midnight Controls mode and the Fabric API. Now, plug in your controller and launch Minecraft using Fabric Loader. When the game starts, you'll be able to move and play using your controller, and you can customize the controls in the settings. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.